Hello everybody, my name is Al DePoalo and I'm the Partner Products Manager. Today I wanted to take a quick look at the nesting software and how to apply different feed rates and lead-ins to different aspects of your geometry. So I'm going to select this part here and I'm going to create a nest and we'll get right into it. I'm going to leave all of my default settings the way they are and I'll choose Finish. Now, so I've selected my part and I've set up my sheet that I want to work with, and when it comes to changing your parameters, you can edit your default profile and we can set, you know, our diameter here. We can set what our lead is, and when we do that, what that actually will do is set up all the parameters to be the same for both the inside and the outside shapes. But the problem is with these holes, our lead-in is too big, and also, you know, maybe the feed rate in which we want to run at. In this case, we have it set, let's set it to 50. The feed rate that we want it to run at, we may want it to run at a slower feed rate when it's in the hole. So how do you address that? Well, when you go into the part, you have all the, let me back up here, you have all the individual geometry sets that are associated with the nested part. So this gives you the ability to go to this Inner Profile 1, Insert Profile. So now I have a profile feature for this one. It's going to mirror the settings that I've already used, but what I can do is change my lead in to 30 and then I'll change my feed rate to 20. Okay, so now I've changed how this one would be addressed. We'll just do one right now. We'll go ahead and recompute our toolpath, and now you can see this one has an adjusted rate. If I want to go back and edit these parameters again, let's make it even smaller lead in and lead out, and recompute, and now you can see we have a smaller lead in and lead out, and we also have a different feed rate for that hole. So we can repeat this process for each of the inner shapes that we want here. We can come in and make special adjustments to them. So again, we're going to change our feed rate to 20, and then we're going to change our leads to 0.01. So we have another one here. Okay, at this point what I've done is I've addressed all of my inner shapes that I wanted to change my lead in and lead out and change my feed rate for. Now what I can do is recompute my toolpath, and we'll see all of our holes have a smaller lead in, and when we post it would have a different feed rate. If we want to come back and edit the number of parts that we want nested, we can increase this to, let's say, 5, and we'll add some additional spacing between the parts. We'll go ahead and compute, and now you can see we've made the adjustments necessary to establish the way that we want to cut this part. Very good, guys.